She did it. Go dominate. Ready?
No, I don't want to do that.
Caesar, quit being a weenie. Tell me when to go. Any commentary? This is his hairdresser. All thanks to Cheeks. Say what's up to the camera.
Yo no tengo la culpa.
He said it's not his fault. This is the mom. She does not approve, but she's eating. Look at her. Yeah, mama. And this is him getting hypey and going stupid. Rocking that mullet, baby. Yeah. Hey, let me see that this face. Hold up. Let me see that this face real quick. With the mullet. Woo! Do the frilly go. Dum, 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 dum. Look at that mullet. Oh. Check it out, mullet. This guy's gonna be the next mullet Aaron right here. Yeah. Say what's up to the camera.
What's up?